It's dark and cold. So you know what that means. Cleansing time. AKA water. Is it cleansing warm or is it cold? Is the question. Is it warm or is it cold? And I forgot how long the damn queue is. I forgot it's this damn long. Let's see how long it takes me. Hey, you guys are cooked. Told you. Got him. Alright, well, there's gonna be some problems. Maybe a big problem right now. If there's no line, you gotta run through it. Gotta run through it. It's not hard to run through a damn queue. So, fuck, I almost messed up. Man, when I did the hat dance, I slammed my dick hard. I slammed it hard. Like really hard. Really hard. Because it was slippery. And my dumb ass left and Diet Coke spill. So obviously I slammed it. Slammed it pretty hard. Doesn't hurt that much anymore. But it does fucking hurt. Cleansing. Whatever this is, wherever that is. Wait a minute. Shit, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way the whole damn time. I thought it was this ride. No, it was a different ride, damn it. Or am I just purposely being a dumbass? So I get to see how long it takes me to get through the queue and out the queue. Yes. Also, if you think if I'm not talking loud enough, like this video, it's like so I can know. It's like if I'm talking too soft and you can barely hear me and you have to use subtitles, so I can get a microphone instead, and it'll be better. So leave a like. So just leave a like or leave a comment saying I need a microphone, cause I'll fucking stop, cause your voice, cause I can barely hear you. Well, let's see. I'm dying. I want to go on this ride, but I don't want to get wet. I want some Coke. I want some ice. Man, if I Man, if I had the drink plan plus or whatever the fuck it's called, I would get the fucking ice right now. But no, I have this. Damn paper cup. I mean plastic. I have to use a damn plastic cap. Damn plastic cup. Hey, good luck. You're gonna need it. I've never been on this ride. I don't know how it feels to be them, so I just said good luck. Hey, shut the fuck up. If the birds are being annoying, just tell them to shut up. Shut up, birds. There, it shuts up. There's that easy. It's that easy. Where should I go now? 6 minutes. That is a pretty damn big queue. Should I do this right now? I always wanted to do it since the first time I got it when I went to Scary Farm 2 years ago. Because I mean, it's a kind of the same speed as Jaguar, but the launch. I mean, I did 45, maybe. No, I did 50 miles per hour. I did 50, 82 or 3 foot drop on Jurassic. And I think I need to do. And I think this one's only like around the same, I think. I think it's around the same. I think it's around the same. You thought you were safe. Man. Episode 3 of this. Are they lucky or not? Just kidding. Just kidding, this is not episode 3. Alright, they're coming. You thought you were gonna be safe, huh? Yeah. They cheated. They fucking cheated. Time check. 8:38. So, what can I do? I could do a lot of stuff. I could get something to eat, already. Maybe a dessert, maybe something else, maybe like some Dippin' Dots, with some gas in it. Because if you want to start a damn fire, put some damn gas in there. Or actually, no, put some diesel in it. Diesel's better. When I mean diesel is better, I mean it. It is 10 times better. It is like the best thing for starting bonfires. Put some damn diesel in it. Diesel's better than gas. So if you work like a truck driver or whatever the hell you work, if you work using diesel and you get it for free, steal some of that damn diesel. Start a damn fire with it. Get some wood at the Walmart. For free. You start a damn fire for free. And after, just go to McDonald's to get a damn McFlurry at like 3 o'clock, at like 2 in the morning. Success. Or Chick-fil-A. Or fuck it. Go get a pizza. But only if it's a Friday. Because it's fuck that shit Friday. But today isn't fuck that shit Friday. Today's Saturday. Today's fuck that shit Saturday. And Monday is fuck Monday. It's called FM. Fuck Monday. It's called that. But this machine is on Monday. It is literally on Monday. Like just don't like Monday. Like just don't like it. Well, I will see you on the next episode of Are you lucky or not? Are they lucky or not? Bye.